Children, your question is here. In the given figure, ACB is a quadrant of a circle this whole way. A and this one. Quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. So length of AC given 14. This one also 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. With BC as diameter here, semicircle BCQ is drawn. So find the area of this shaded region. So now here I have to find out this shaded region. How I will get this shaded region? So now observe. From a semicircle, if I will subtract this segment of this quadrant, observe, BACP is a sector. So from this semicircle, if I subtract this BPC, so obviously we'll get a required shaded region. But before this, what I have to find out? I have to find out area of segment. How I will find out area of segment? From an area of sector, I have to subtract area of triangle. So first of all, I will find out area of segment or area of BPC. This portion BPC is equals to area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. So area of triangle, or if it is creating confusion, so write down everything first verbally and after that place your formula. So here I am writing area of sector minus area of triangle. Now area of sector, your formula is theta by 360 pi r square minus, though it is a quadrant, its angle will be of 90 degree. So here formula will be half base into height. So angle is 90 upon 360 into 22 by 7. Radius given here 14 centimeter. So here I should write 14 into 14 minus half, base 14, height also 14. 19 4 za 7 2 za 2 2 za 2 11 za. So now here I have 11 into 14 minus 2 7 za 14 7 za 98. So when you will subtract it, here you will get answer is 56 centimeter square. So now this portion I got 56 centimeter square. Now required area means what? Required shaded region is equals to area of this semicircle minus area of this BCP. So for that, first of all I have to find out area of a semicircle. To get area of a semicircle, radius is required. But how to get that radius? 14 is a measurement of these two arms only. I want radius. So here observe, this is a right angle triangle. So by applying a Pythagoras theorem, may I get a value of BC, that is hypotenuse. But this hypotenuse is nothing but a diameter of a semicircle. So that diameter, if I divide by 2, obviously we will get a radius of that semicircle. So first of all here, in this triangle, we will apply Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. So here I am applying Pythagoras theorem. So we will get BC square equals to AB square plus AC square. Now this value is 14, this value also 14. So here we will get 14 square plus 14 square. So 14 into 14, that is 2 times 14 square. Observe children here, that is BC square. So here your BC will be root 2 into 14, square and root cancel, square cancel out, and 2 will be in a root. So this is the length of BC. That is nothing. BC is a what? A diameter. Here in the question it is specified that with BC as diameter. So here we got D is equals to root 2 into 14. So radius R will be 14 upon 2 root 2. That is 7 root 2 centimeter is your radius. Now here we will find out area of a semicircle. So area of semicircle is equals to, area of a circle is pi r square. So though it is a semicircle, obviously I have to divide it by 2. So here my formula will be pi r square by 2. Pi value 22 by 7.2 and radius given here 7 root 2, that is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. 7 cancel out, 2 11s are. Now 11 into 7 into root 2 into root 2, 2. So 7 2s are 14, 14 into 11, here you will get answer, that is 154 centimeters. Now here I am having area of semicircle and also I am having area of sector. So required area is equals to required area is equals to area of semicircle minus area of this BPC. So area of semicircle, here we are getting 154 centimeter square minus this area, here we are getting 56 centimeter square. So when you will subtract 56 from 154, so here you will get final answer is 98 centimeter square. So this is required area of a shaded region. Hope this solution understood to you. Thank you.